Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I post content for beginners in digital marketing. In my previous video, I shared about my 5 tips on how to kickstart your digital marketing journey. In this video, I'm going to share some of the resources such as courses, websites that will help you to start your digital marketing learning, as well as I'll mention a few platforms where you can actually try for practical experience in digital marketing. But first, I'm going to share some of the tips that I have learned from my own experience of learning digital marketing. So without further ado, let's begin. Tip number 1 is that if you're really interested in pursuing digital marketing as your career, then you need to have a strong hold on the fundamentals. Now, what are these fundamentals? Why is it important? I've mentioned all this in my previous video and I'm linking it over here. So do check that video. Tip number 2 is there is a general debate whether you have to go to college to earn a certificate on digital marketing or whether you can learn what is available on internet. Well, both of them have their own pros and cons. It's up to you and what is your end goal, whether you want to work for a 9 to 5 corporate, whether you want to start something of your own, whether you want to be a freelancer, virtual assistant, and so many other options. But if you have the time and budget, you can definitely go for college and earn a certificate. In my case, I did have the luxury of time and budget and I chose to learn everything what is available over the internet, and it did turn out fruitful for me because I've worked on 3 internships. I've started my own YouTube channel, I have my own Instagram page where I'm discovering each and everything by myself. So it is totally up to you which one you want to choose in accordance to your end goal. Tip number 3 is if you decide to study digital marketing on your own, then don't just rely on courses. Make sure that you take a note of 2 to 3 websites that give you an overall information about what is happening in the digital marketing field, what are the recent updates or trends that are going on, so that you stay updated with your field. My last tip is that digital marketing is more practical oriented than what we study theoretically. So be vocal that you are studying digital marketing, you are open for free internship or volunteering. You might never know, one of your friends who is having a business might not have a digital presence or might not know how to maintain the digital presence, and you can help them out. Or some of your family members might need help with their business. So that's why make sure that you are always vocal about your passion towards learning digital marketing. The more you are vocal about it, the more chances and opportunities you might get. Okay, moving on to the resources. The first course that I want to recommend is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing by Google. This is a course that is provided by Google, free of cost, provides you certification and bite-sized videos with relevant examples. Now there are 2 versions of this, Google Digital Garage and Google Digital Unlocked. The Google Digital Garage is created keeping in mind the UK viewers, while the Google Digital Unlocked is created keeping in mind the Indian viewers. However, the content that is taught in both the courses are same, so you can choose which one you would like to do. Once you're done with the fundamentals, you do want to move to specialization. And if you're interested in SEO, then the first platform I would recommend is Moz Academy. Moz have their own software for SEO optimization. Apart from that, Moz also provides some premium courses to help you to learn what SEO work involves. And with the present condition of quarantine, lockdown and other things, they are providing all their premium courses for free until May 31st with their coupon code We Got This. So if you are interested in SEO but you were always short on budget or you never knew this information, then this is a golden opportunity to learn about SEO for free. If you are interested in analytics and ads, then there are courses provided by Google. I highly recommend Google courses because most of the work of digital marketing, whether it's ad or SEO or analytics, it's related with Google search engine more than some other search engine. Sorry. Hence, learning about that search engine would be more beneficial than something else. Obviously, you can go for any other course that teaches you about Google. That's completely fine. But the main advantage I find is if you are doing Google Analytics course provided by Google, then you get access to a Google demo account. That means even without having your own website, your own analytics account, you can actually see how things are done. You get live access to all the information, consumer insights, how conversion is done, how campaigns are set, and so many other things, which is wonderful. So Even if you want to just level up your analytics or ad related knowledge, then you can definitely go for those courses. They are certified courses and free of cost, but they do come with an expiry date. So that certificate expires after 2 or 3 years, and then again you have to give an exam to renew the certificate. Now when it comes to social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, or any other types, I would highly recommend Udemy courses, if that's how it's pronounced, and HubSpot. HubSpot hands down is the best one that I've found so far, because HubSpot has so many courses. Some are certified, some are not. However, the plus point I found in HubSpot courses is they are teaching you with the perspective that you are already working as an employee and not as a student or a beginner. So the level of explanation or the way they explain is completely different from the other courses. That's what I felt. But then it's again a personal opinion. We are talking about the resources, and how can I miss the three main platforms: LinkedIn Learning, YouTube, and Skillshare. Now I have done different courses from all these three platforms, and definitely they are helpful. However, I think when it comes to my own case, I have used YouTube to learn more of tool related tutorials, like how to design a Squarespace website, how to use WordPress, what plugins to use, how to use MailChimp, how to create campaign, how to segment and make contact lists in email, and so many other things I've used. Because the problem is, if you are not having a business of your own, then there are some tools that you cannot use, because in order to sign in or to create an account, you need some of the information that are related to a business, and without that you cannot learn, and without experience someone might not hire you. Now coming on to the practical experience, the platform that I would recommend is Acadium. Now Acadium is a platform that provides you free internship in digital marketing. I started my first digital marketing internship through Acadium for 3 months, for working for 10 hours a week. So if you are learning digital marketing and always looking for some opportunity where you can do internship, Acadium can be your platform. You need to create an account, fill in your profile, and there are several courses that are provided by Acadium. You can complete those, and the completed course will be shown on your bio, and then the mentors who are looking for interns will contact you. Likewise, you can contact any mentors you would like to work. You then schedule a call, have a normal telephonic interview to see whether you both fit together, and if both of your goals align, then you can work for an internship of 3 months for 10 hours a week. The advantage is, in those 3 months duration, if you have impressed your mentor enough, you can be hired for a full-time position. If not, you can ask for their testimonials, and you can always put them on your resume or LinkedIn profile so that you can have more opportunities in future. So these are the resources that I wanted to share with you all, and I hope it is helpful for you in your digital marketing journey. So hit the like button if you liked today's video, and subscribe if you haven't. Let me know in the comment section about your views, feedback, or any video topic that you want me to do. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the skills that you need to have as a digital marketer. So stay tuned. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye.